Let's go! Okay, everyone, we're back and we're already playing these games, so let's get out the basic photo and let's just run on. Sorry for the delay in videos with this. I've been, well, I would like to say busy, but really it's just been pure abject boredom. I've been playing the games that I want to just hang out with. Here's the back question. How do I run? Oh, there we are. Okay, come on, man. As you can see, I'm clearly the best Space Marine because I'm getting distracted. But there's nothing in here. Okay, so... Well, there's not much else to say about the Warhammer 40k universe. Well, there's a lot to say. But for now, let's just say, you're screwed, everyone else is screwed. If there was, there's not a single person who isn't screwed on some level. I mean, hell, I'm trying to think of anyone who's not in deep crap. No, I mean, even the only one who I can think of is technically the Chaos Gods, and they're the ones who's benefiting from all this war.
This fortress is swarming with orcs. Clearing this place will take days.
Those guardsmen cannot survive that long. We find a way to destroy the gun.
Okay, it looks like we found our new mission, folks. I love the fact that all these missions only have like, what, 1 or 2 words? Ooh, the vengeance launcher. One of my favorites.
A vengeance launcher.
That sounds promising.
Very quietly, Andros. Okay, let's just get in here.
Medicaid facility should expect significant delays.
Hopefully this episode won't be too long. I'm trying to do this chapter by chapter, but the problem is with some of the longer games, longer bets, it gets a bit dodgy. It's like, you can't do it in just like a quick half-an-hour video. So yeah, these are just basically, I guess you could say, ray guns.
Access granted.
An armory. Sure to be something useful.
Ooh, look, a shiny bit. We all love them. Can I grab it?
Lockdown in effect.
Look here, Captain. Melter charges.
Put those in the right place, and this whole fortress will come down.
We could put the charge on one of the gun's shells.
Leandros, you do the chapter proud.
You mean the most obvious place to put a frickin'... Nope, not gonna get into it.
Releasing safeguard.
This is just gonna be a fun video,
Remember
folks.
that we
I ain't gonna start screaming shout the angles. Let's just return to a full killing. Last time we all can get behind it. Like war, I like stabbing. That's me in heaven.
Run for it!
Remember, children, finish up your handiwork. Full killing or just leaving your room. And to bathe in the blood of your enemy. Which is slightly heretical, but well done. Let's continue. I mean, I think at this rate we Yeah, I was planning on doing this game on hard mode, but then I realized, yeah, that was just basically just me dying a thousand times. This is a great game, but you don't want to see it for the
Shell
15th
storage
time.
is below.
Okay, let's just load up our guns.
Access restricted to upper decks.
You spin me right round like a Seriously, how is he doing this? Whee! Oh, he just drifts in the circle. Okay. Probably broke a bit of that medicine, but whatever. Oh look, it's the oak sign.
They're not about to run short of ammunition.
There, it looks like we just have to go through here. Oh look! I love it when they tell me to shoot them again. I'm always happy to please them. I'm always pleased to help them with that bit. Big bomb. One thing I do like is you can always hear them. See ya! Warhammer! The world where everyone's screwed on some level. Sometimes quite literally. Oh, I'm not joking about that. Trust me. There's a chaos god out there, and if it gets its hands on you, oh boy! I do not pity you. I do not envy your strength. I'm a widow. Yeah. Multi-kill.
Crush the Space Marines!
Ooh, good ammo. I just, yeah, in my way there, bro. Come on. Let's get this open. Let's see if we can.
Space Marines! The enemies of man are here!
I think I wait for this. Oh well, it's still.
Here, Captain.
Yeah, the
We
more
need to get the shell into that loader.
There. I will place the charge on that shell.
yeah.
Now to move the shell into place.
Right, ready.
All loaded.
With luck, the orcs will feed it right into the gun's chamber.
We cannot rely on luck for this, Sir Donis. We follow the shell up and make sure it reaches its destination.
So,
Now
so-
back to the left.
Transversity pad.
Find cover, you lot!
I hear orcs. Well, aggressors, but don't worry, we've killed them eventually. We'll probably kill a lot of things. Heavens no. Now, I did mention I did complete this game before I played with you guys, that's why I know. And as for why my ass is getting kicked, well, I can explain that in the sense of, even if I complete it, that doesn't mean I'm competent. And of course,
Shoot me again!
I'm stealing this kill. And somehow I managed to stop it. Even though I wasn't dusting it. Oh well. That's a whole lot of that.
Keep clear. This is not a drill.
Nope. That's the waiting. Alright. Let's get on. Where we need to be going. That doesn't sound good. Just make a better mode for everyone. Could be using this now. Crescents are like I believe we're still almost. Oh, hello. I've always believed in saying that. The annoying thing is, ironically, because I'm always ducking in to protect myself, but well, I think one of the taglines for this game was "Real heroes don't need cover."
It's a fight now!
It's a day against Java-based shooters, but ironically, you still can stand in cover at times. That's too.
Firing sequence in progress.
There, secondary left.
Yay, we're gonna probably do a game in record time, not stumble about. What's going on? So yeah, I wonder. I don't think I'll ever do Warhammer lore videos because, well, there's way better YouTubers for that. I'm just happy spouting around through random facts. Like the fact that Space Marines that I believe have 3 hearts. Yeah. And they're taken at 10 years old. Yeah, from Deathworks, where everything is trying to fucking kill you. Or do something, I don't know. What, you think this is just a happy game where innocent people, good guys, bad guys? No, hell, technically even the Space Marines aren't that good guys. It's just a matter of perspective. I mean, if you want to be careful, the orcs are actually way better off than us in a society sense because they just want to fight. There's no complex reasoning with them.
The Emperor be with you, Space Marines.
Okay, if I enter Fury mode, then
Stand clear.
Space Marines!
wow, that's clever. They actually figured out there's a danger. Just fun. Alright, well that's
There's our
specifically.
shell. The orcs have pulled it out of sequence.
Then we put it
Gun
back.
firing in 3,
Leandros, get the shell into that loader. I will cover you.
And I promise not to abuse this situation and let you get a few hits and let the orcs get a few hits and do complete use.
Gun firing.
Incoming fire.
Alright, well, the one thing I'm kind of curious about is, Kyle, you have to forgive me, it's been a while, so my nerdy logic is a bit off.
Reloading.
But the double color themselves, well, group cover themselves in certain colors because they mean that means something. So, some will use the color blue because they think it's lucky and so on and so forth. So what messed up thing is this actually is passed on through logic. That guy just has to kill him.
Enemy sighted.
And whatever. I somehow stopped off the ball. Time to try again. Is this my first step of the walkthrough? I think it is. Oh well, back to try again.
Authorizing. The Emperor be with you, Space Marines.
Just punch it. Why are you not letting me in? Didn't I already grab this? Okay. Now you're gonna let me in? Yeah.
Space Marines!
Hello! You're gonna die.
There's our shell. The orcs have pulled it out of sequence.
Then we put it back.
Reset for
Leandros,
firing
get the shell into that loader. I will cover you.
I would totally not let you get hit. That would never be me. Okay, let's continue. I have...
Incoming fire!
Destroy them!
Good thing this thing for 5, 6 bullets. I ain't good at aiming.
Stand clear.
Looks like we're getting hit by a below. Let's get into the next episode. And dead again.
Tomorrow, you may be dead.
Okay, folks, it looks like we died twice already. Then again, this place did give me a hard time last time I played it, so it's to be expected. Maybe I should actually use my weapon.
Authorization and start detail. That be with you, Space
Alright, one more time. This time, let's just go bog crazy.
Gun firing in 3,
Space Marines!
1.
Yep.
There's our shell. The orcs have pulled it out of sequence.
Then we put it back. Leandros, get the shell into that loader. I will cover you.
For firing sequence.
Hopefully this time we don't die. You're on the Android for so close shipping, I mean you can fit that a lot faster.
Firing
Incoming!
It's
firing sequence in progress.
Enemy sighted!
hello. Wow, that was a powerful explosion. And let's kill him. I am not going to keep doing this again. I have places to be.
Hold the line.
Oh,
Firing now.
I'm just gonna keep stomping on these pressures. It's fun.
Artillery shell moving into position.
Yeah, I know. I'm not using one too long. Saying. Oh, well, I'm saying. I am complaining. Why are you so slow? I've been in line that taking this short. I've seen practice that are fast. Fucking practice. And I'm stuck behind them, and I want to kill every single one of them. Well, I know 8 practice, I know 18 practice. I know practice. Die! Die!
In place, Captain.
Finally!
We're better off suing this fortress debtors.
Agreed. Find an exit.
Here, structural damage.
Finally!
Keep clear.
Alright, well, that looks like that's it for this video, folks. Hope you had a good time! So, there are dramatic scene done. Hope everyone has a lovely day. Bye!